tree. I love it in my toaster. Why aren't you working? There we go. Take two. Yeah. Oh, Christmas trees. I'm so happy. Like, I get so easily entertained.
Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. Hope you guys are having a lovely day. You saw at the beginning there, Steffi starting her day with some crumpets. But they weren't just any crumpets, they were Christmas tree crumpets that we got from Iceland that we actually found on a shelf, which was another story which you have to go and check out. So make sure you check out our playlist of all of our Vlogmases down below. But we need to, of course, do the advent calendar. And of course our gift advent calendars if you haven't been keeping up. So it's day 16 and I need to decide where this is going to go. And I'm going to decide it's going to go here.
Oh.
I don't know why, but my...
You completed one ear heavy.
One, yeah, heavier on one side than it is the other, so yes. Now let us do the gift advents.
Do you know something else when you were mentioning about the playlist? Yeah. You know that some of our Vlogmases have been going into the Vlogust playlist that I figured out today. I figured out today, I went, wait, hold on a minute, we don't have a Vlogmas playlist, and then realised, no, we've been sticking them all in Vlogust.
Wow, that's a bit silly of us. Yeah, we'll sort that out.
It's all done now.
Oh, is it? Oh, nice.
I sorted it out, Dave, don't you worry about it.
Thank you. Chill, rabbits. Chill. One. Oh, no. There you go. Just took Logan's. Now, before we start this, welcome to Dave Hasn't Wrapped the Advent Calendar Gifts Again jingle. This one you're actually going to be very surprised with this one.
Oh my god, is it out of your bag again? Have you kept all of my Advent gifts all in your bag that you take to work?
I have to stop with Mum's first.
Oh, you Mums.
I do,
Mum.
Stop trying to look.
I'm not looking.
Just hold your hand out.
Oh. 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 Ooh.
Oh, see.
Oh,
wow.
Look, I've got Maxi Muscle Pro Mix protein bar.
Millionaire shortbread.
Millionaire shortbread, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, and then we've got the Cyclone, which is peanut butter flavour. Oh.
A whopping 20 grams of protein.
Wow. Amazing. Yeah, thank you. They will come in handy for sure.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Dave. Thank you.
16.
16, yeah, there we go.
And we have the return of...
What do you mean return? I don't do repeats.
Reindeer, Malteser reindeer, thank you.
Woohoo!
Now it's time to claim my chocolate and put it in the fridge. So Steffi can't have it, because that's what I do. That's how I claim my chocolates. I like mine chilled, Steph likes hers room temperature. See how
I like it melty.
Melty, and I like mine rock hard. I haven't given you guys an update on the Christmas cake. The Christmas cake is still looking good, but I'm gonna put some more rum in, just to kind of absorb into the cake. Hopefully the next couple of days we'll hopefully be decorating this bad boy. So it's looking really good though. Like really chuffed with how it's come out. Right, we're gonna have a hot chocolate now, and we're gonna be trying something a little bit different. So normally when we're actually doing our hot chocolates, we always use our standard soy milk or our almond milk, but today we're gonna try with some cashew milk. So we're gonna see how it goes. And do you want any syrup with yours, Steph?
No, I don't want any syrup.
We're gonna go old school fashion. We're just gonna have it just as it is, as normal. So I'm gonna get...
Oh, mind you, no, I'll have the gingerbread.
Always last minute decisions. So gingerbread for Steph. And I'm gonna go old traditional and just keep it simple. So I'm gonna take... Just keeps falling off. I'm gonna take the hot chocolate, I'm gonna add it to our cashew milk. If you want to know one thing about this, I actually got this recipe from Jamie Oliver, so what I'll do is I'll leave it linked in the description if you guys want to try it out. So yeah, it's a really good one actually, and I'm actually very happy with how it turned out, so yay!
Yeah. Careful, Dave. Ooh. Nice. One. Oh, we just have enough. We don't have any cream, but we have marshmallows. also have some stars. Oh, I might have a candy cane.
Yeah.
What are you going to have, Dave?
I have some marshmallows. I'm going to have some sprinkles. I'm going to top it off with cinnamon. Cause we've got some cinnamon in here.
We've got some cinnamon and we've got some cocoa powder in there as well.
Because look, it fits it perfectly. We got this from Disco Liz.
Yay, from Disco Liz.
So we're actually using it. Thank you.
Do you want some balls? Do you want some?
I'm going for snowflakes.
Yeah, I want snowflakes too. Yay, some snowflakes. And as well, not only we have our specially made hot chocolate, we also have the dark chocolate and coffee from Montezuma. We've also got these ones, these flavoured hot chocolates as well that we got from Wilkinson's. And we've got these little cute little gingerbread stirrer ones as well. We've got quite a lot of stuff. We need someone to come around and help us. Thank you, Dave. Ah, look at that. Hot chocolates at the go.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. I put some cinnamon on the top just to finish mine off. But it's tasting good. How's yours?
Great, look my candy.
Yeah. You lost it in the thing. You enjoying it?
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas, babe.
Merry Christmas, baby.
So Steffi is going to show me her painted plane that I got for her for the advent calendar, where she could paint 4 different types of planes. She's going to show me what it is. So I'm going to have my eyes closed.
So I did this on the stream before, and the chat helped me out on what colours to do.
Okay. Hey, you put the dinosaur on top.
Yeah, because obviously it's a Mickey plane. It's got the Mickey colours, right?
It's really cool.
So it's going to be the new transportation for dinosaur. Instead of using the time rovers, they're gonna use planes instead. So they're gonna go back in time, get their dino, and head back. It'll be a lot quicker and a lot more convenient.
That's very true, and you wouldn't have to hit the dinosaur because you would be in the air.
Yeah.
Like the red dinosaur. That's very awesome. Well done to
the dino.
Yeah, and well done to everyone in the chat. You know, if you guys want to check out our streams, make sure we'll leave a link in the description as well for you guys. But thank you everyone for deciding on the colours, and good job, Steph. And we'll put the plane on the tree with the dinosaur. So it's now complete. Yay! Also, Steffi is going to play the snowball target.
Do you think you're brave enough to challenge me in a bit of a game?
I'm always ready to challenge you. So Steffi has set up her targets. Let's see how you do. I have to keep tallies.
I don't want to die.
That was perfectly timed. We're watching a stream as well, like a Twitch streamer.
Watching normal difficulty, I love him.
He's really good fun. He's playing DayZ, but we'll be doing this at the same time. Go. Oh, she got 100. 200. 300. You've lost it now. 380. 380 plus another 80.
160, isn't it?
100 for 460, yeah. 520.
Yeah.
You got 520.
Alright, Dave's turn, go. 60. 100, 160. 160, that's 120. 220.
Yeah.
220, 320, 420, 520. Can you remember how much I got?
Yeah, I remember.
How much?
560 you got.
Hey!
Right, well, that was the game that we were playing today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas, day 16. And while Steffi attacks me with more of these cotton balls, you missed me there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. Subscribe, yes? Yes. And make sure to smash the notification bell so you're notified of our future video, which is of course
tomorrow.
So we shall see you then. Take care now, guys. Bye.
Bye.